Such a cool town. This right here is their little community store. Village Market Mercantile. Got myself a root beer. Sounds pretty good right now. Alright, so I'm going to stop here at this part of the trail. I'm going to show you right here. This is the town of Blue Diamond. And this town has a very small population out here next to Red Rock. And it's a small little community. It's got a little tiny grocery store, little school, lots of small stuff because it's a small town. But we're going to probably walk right through this town and get back on the trail to head towards our car. All right, so we made it to Blue Diamond. They got a lot of really cool houses up here. They're all like futuristic against the mountain. Pretty cool. Land for sale. You know, I wouldn't mind buying myself a nice little plot up here myself against the mountain. Pretty cool. Look at this little log house right here. That's pretty cool. And we're going to head down to the convenience store, get ourselves something to drink. Got some really beautiful homes up here in Blue Diamond. Absolutely gorgeous. And right over here, there's like a little park. This is a community park for the town of Blue Diamond. Hey Michelle, look at this house. Looks like the Flintstones house. It's even got a little running creek. I don't know. Yeah, they do. Such a cool town. This right here is their little community store. Village Market Mercantile. Got some Chex Mix, toilet paper, all kind of cleaning stuff. What'd you get, Michelle? Granola bar. Got myself a root beer. It sounds pretty good right now. Man, it's pretty old in here. All right. Now let's pay for this stuff. I think they got some honey buns back there.
So what do we here? I guess we just got to. Which ain't gonna fit your front.
So this is the store that we came out of. Hey, look, they're hiring. Competitive benefits. I think the best benefit of working here would be the peace and quiet. This town is very quiet. This is a pretty cool little stop along our hike. Look at that, they even have a dental center over there. They got a dental center, they have a restaurant. A lot of cool stuff over here. Nice little park next to the elementary school. Buses only. And this right here is a post office, a tiny little building there. Sometimes early in the mornings, I remember coming up here years ago, we used to see wild horses up here in the fields. It was a pretty cool sight to see. You don't really see much of that anymore. Got a cool little skate park over there. Oh man, I would have loved that as a kid. That would have kept me busy all day as a kid, that skate park. Sweet. Those small little towns that you see in like horror movies and stuff, this is kind of like, you know, got that same vibe. Got the Blue Diamond Church. It's a small little church. All right, so we are now leaving the town of Blue Diamond and we are back on the trail. And hopefully we'll be at our car really soon because my legs are getting tired. All right, we finally made it back to the car. And this is Michelle's watch. And we are at 21,154 steps. 7.98 miles. Basically 8 miles. Man, that's sweet. All right. Decided to take a little bit of a break. And we are pretty far up here. So let's go ahead and check out the watch. Okay, so the watch, it does say 5,387 steps. Can you see that? There we go. All right, not too bad. Look at this cool little barrel cactus here. What a cool little cactus. Well, I shouldn't say little, it's almost as big as me.